Today on Science of Violet, we're testing chemical reactions. Hey guys, welcome back to Science of Violet. Today, we're going to be making elephant toothpaste.
All right. Let's get into it. We got our instructions here. What's step 1?
1/2 cup of peroxide.
Okay, 1/2 cup of peroxide. So this is 12% peroxide. This is the stuff you don't buy at your normal store. So kids, remember to always have adult supervision and have a parent's help because these are serious chemicals.
Whew, I'm scared.
All right,
because it is liquidy and it can get everywhere.
Just 1/2 cup.
Oh, no. It has started.
And remember, with dangerous chemicals, you always have to have your protective eyewear. So me and Violet are wearing our goggles so nothing gets in our eyes.
And you also have to wear some gloves so that it doesn't get on your skin and it doesn't sting you or do something bad. The next step is 1 tablespoon of yeast and 3 tablespoons of warm water.
First, let's do the water.
We can't get warm water in the yeast.
We don't want to get water in the yeast. We want to get yeast in the water. Right. That's right. 2.
You can't put yeast first.
Hold it straight. Okay, now 1 tablespoon of yeast.
There's the yeast. It looks like sand. This is 1 for you. Because I went first, so straight you.
You put it in this one.
All right, we're gonna start now.
Okay, let's add some food coloring to our vases. I said I'll do the yellow.
And I'm gonna do the red.
So let's just add 3 drops.
Una, dos, tres.
Now let's stir it up just a little bit.
Stir it up. Ooh, look, mine's just turning pink.
Yep, mine is yellow. Now we need a little bit of soap in each.
I'll put mine in. This one is very blue, so I might turn mine's purple. I don't know why. Oh, look.
A little bit more.
It was turning purple for a second.
Okay.
See? Purple. You can't really see it because...
Stir it up one more time. Yeah, so you can see that. Yeah. You can see the soapiness.
You guys, look at our new fizzy drinks. Now
I'm gonna add a cup of potassium iodide.
Yes.
To my warm water. So we're gonna have a yeast mixture and we're gonna have a potassium iodide mixture and we're gonna figure out which one
is
makes
stronger.
The best elephant toothpaste.
If it's the yeast, comment a happy emoji. If it's the... I forgot how to say that. You say it.
Potassium iodide.
Potassium iodide, put a sad emoji. And let's see which one is bigger and better.
Let's get ready for the showdown.
Ready. Get these out of the way.
Okay, let's do this one up first.
Ready? Okay, move that one. Set. Go. Whoa! That one was a little bit good.
Yeah, that was pretty good. Okay, that was the active yeast.
That actually turned bigger.
Yep.
Than I thought.
That was cool. Okay.
It's white. So cool.
All right.
Now, it's Dad's turn. 3, 2, 1, go. It's doing something. And there you got it, folks.
I guess the yeast was better.
Yeast is the winner. Thanks for watching Science of Violet. If you want to see more, go to scienceofviolet.com. Bye! Dun, 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 dun.
All right.
And people,
This one is still going.
I don't know how it's doing that. Mixing it now.
It was just a slower reaction, but
This one was
almost
a fast
just-
reaction.
This one was almost just as big. It was just a slower reaction, that's all.